What's up guys and welcome back to another tutorial. I'm 7beats and today I'm going to show you how to create a simple Afro beat for beginners. So let's go right into it. This beat will be created in E minor. I'm going to adjust the BPM to 103 and first I'm going to start off with a chord progression. So I'm going to use the Whirly V2 and I'm going to use this Top of the World preset. This melody will be created in E minor, so we'll start off with this E, like this, and we're going to create an 8-bar pattern. So right now just select this melody, Ctrl C, and Ctrl V, and we're going to use this G. I'm going to duplicate it again. I'm going to use this B. Right now we're going to make an adjustment to this part of the progression, and in the E minor scale we can use this A flat and this C sharp. So press Shift and arrow upwards twice. Like this. Right now we're going to strumize the melody, so press Alt S and just add a little bit of strength. So right now we're going to add a guitar. So I'm going to use the ample guitar SH. This time I'm going to use this Dream Come True preset. And first we're going to start off with this B. We can use this G. Like this. We're going to copy this kind of the progression to this A. We can use this B. So right now it sounds like this. So right now we're gonna duplicate this one, Ctrl B, and right now you want to make something interesting this bar. So we're using this E, so just use an E. We can also use a G, maybe an E, and F. So right now this is the final guitar melody and I've pitched it down 1 octave. So right now we're going to add another element. So I'm going to use Expand 2. So I'm using this Pick Nylon Strings preset and I'm going to copy this one to this one. Make the notes shorter. And we're now going to add a bass line. So I'm going to use Contact and I'm going to use this Scarby MM Bass preset. And I'm just going to start off with this E because it's the root note. And right now we're using this A. So use this one. And we're going to use this G. So right now it sounds like this. So first we're going to add a rim shot and I'm using my African Sample Pack Volume 1, which includes a lot of rim shots. So first I'm just going to start off with this one. So I'm going to use this triplet rhythm. And as you can hear, it's following the bass line. So that's it. So Ctrl C, Ctrl B. Alright, now we could play around with the pitch of the sample. So just drag it around like this. And just play around until you like it. So I'm going to use this E key. So right now we're going to drag this one into the arrangement and we're going to pick a shaker loop preset. So loops, shaker loop 1. I'm just gonna use this typical afrobeat shaker loop. Already just sounds really good. So pick this gem block. I'm going to make an adjustment to the sample, so I'm going to remove this bar. Like this. This sounds really awesome. So pick this one, I'm going to remove the noise of the sample. We're gonna just add some more layers. So just copy this one and I pick this bongo. Maybe just make an adjustment to this one. So right now I'm going to add the Nakomba and I'm going to create a pattern like this. So I've made an adjustment to this wood and bongo sample, and right now the loop sounds like this. So right now we're going to create a simple drum roll. So I'm going to select some percussion. So toms, these toms, high toms. So I'm using this one, loop this part. So we're gonna add another one. This one. Right here. So we added 2 high toms. Right now we're gonna add a low one. So low. This one. As you can hear, it already sounds like a drum roll. Adding another one. Alright, now we're gonna add a clap, so just a normal one. This one. We're gonna create a roll, clap roll. So we're gonna select a half a step, like this. And right now play around with the velocity, like this. So I think we're still not done, so I'm going to add another percussion, toms, this one, and I create a pattern like this. And we're going to add a little bit of swing, so 20%. Last but not least, we're going to add a kick. So I'm going to use a regular one, and I'm going to use this one. So I'm going to normalize it and just create this simple pattern. So this is the final kick pattern. So right now the drum roll sounds way too dry. So we're going to add some more reverb. So I'm going to use the reverb 2, remove the low frequencies until around 1000 Hertz. Just add a lot of wet and a lot of decay. Right now it sounds like this. So as you can hear, there are still a lot of high frequencies in the reverb, so I'm going to reduce that. Sounds way much better. And we're going to use in the EQ and remove those frequencies until 50 Hertz, like this, using a high pass filter. And on the guitar, I've used the Verhallen Vintage Verb to add some reverb. And that's how you can create a simple Afrobeat in FL Studio. Thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial. Make sure to leave it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Also make sure to download my free Afrobeat sample pack. The link is in the description. And see you guys in one of my next tutorials.